What's up, Fearless fam? Welcome to Fearless Faith Podcast. Together with me is an international model, director of marketing and PR of ERA Philippines, and currently taking masters in psychology student. We have Jem, Austria.
Hello,
How
hello.
are you?
Good. How are you? Welcome back.
Yes. I feel like a friend na galing abroad kasi
Uh,
parang yung tuloy-tuloy yung schedules. So, but for those who doesn't know, actually Jem is a longtime friend. Way back way back, I don't know, like since I started modeling actually. So decades of friendship already and ang daming stories from being a model to mature
mature
girls.
girls.
And now I'm so proud kasi dati parang during our coffee dates, it was actually during one of our birthday celebration, August siya. And then you were just talking about parang you're planning to take up masters in
Yes, in
psychology. And now
psychology.
grabe, on your second year.
On my second
Ang
year, and
bilis. Mhm.
actually almost done with my first term
Mhm.
of
Yes.
second year.
Mhm. I'm so proud of you.
Thank
Pero
you.
mag-flashback muna tayo. I also wanna know like how your or what your childhood was like. So,
Oh,
pakilala mo naman sa amin ang Little Gem.
oh.
Kasi yun yung hindi ko syempre naabutan. Modeling days na tayo.
Well, my age gap with my sisters is actually huge,
Mhm.
15 to 16 years. So, I was really the baby of the family.
Mhm. Bunso.
Yes. So, but since we have a huge age gap, I had to play alone by myself kasi nga yung mga ate ko nasa
Okay.
school. That time, I think, high school sila eh, when I came. And nung medyo may isip na mga toddler or mga kinder, college na sila
Mhm.
nun.
I think ganun yung mga age gap na grabe yung respect mo sa kapatid mo. Parang hindi siya yung feeling na kapatid mo na ka-age o ka-level mo lang. Parang yung respect na parang pwedeng parent kind of respect. Ganun ba yung naging relationship mo with your
Guardian
sis?
talaga.
Guardian.
Yes.
Parang tita levels na. Was it always like, since childhood ba, parang gusto mo na maging model at that time? Or since sabi mo ng tao na you could be a model, di ba may mga ganong type na sasabihin na growing up na parang pwede ka maging model or growing up for sure magiging model to? Or was it like an accident lang ba?
So actually, when I was younger, I wanted to be a painter and a
Mm.
lawyer.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Wala talaga sa isip ko yung artista or modeling.
Pero may
Sobrang
nakita akong
far-fetched.
photo mo before na grabe, parang child star yung features mo ever since.
So my sister before was working in an advertising agency.
Mhm.
And then they needed parang a child talent. Tapos present niya ako, kinuha ako.
So it
And
started
yes,
there.
my first print ad was for Bear.
And how young were you that time?
5. I think 5 years
5 years
old. Yes.
old.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
yeah. After
Grabe.
that, print ad, may nakakita sa akin, na-discover.
Oh.
May naka-discover sa akin na talent agency,
Mhm.
which was Cosmopolitan.
Yeah.
Pa
Cosmo.
rin sila
Yeah, in
until now.
Makati, I
Yes,
think
oo.
you are.
Ayun, tas tuloy-tuloy na, I've been a regular model for SM Kids, yung
Mhm.
apparel.
Actually, yung look mo naman kasi talaga, yun yung tipong ang dali lang ibenta talaga
Ibenta.
sa brands. Especially here in the Philippines, di ba? Yun yung mga look na nakakainis. I mean, as a Filipina, morena type, yun yung mga tipong kalaban na parang mukhang Brazilian, yung itsura. But at the same time, may Pinoy mix pa rin. So it's like curation.
Yes, you're
So,
Asian.
ang dali talaga to ano. And then, can you also share us about your experience when you traveled abroad or when you worked abroad as an international model?
Um, Hindi naman siya sobrang hirap. Pero, I was the only Filipina when I
Mhm.
traveled. So, ang kasama ko talaga, mga Russians, Ukrainians, and Brazilians.
How was the experience? Would you rather do modeling here in the Philippines, locally, or international?
Locally, I'd say because my friends and my family are here.
Mas at home na.
Yes, and I think mas mag-exert ka kasi din ng effort if international.
Mas
It's good.
pressured.
Don't get me wrong, it's a good
Mm.
experience. It's a learning experience for me especially kasi you don't have anyone there aside from your agency.
Mhm.
And frankly speaking, they don't really care about your welfare naman,
Oh,
di ba?
eh.
So, parang ano ka lang talaga, mag-isa ka lang doon.
Mhm.
But fortunately, I got along well with the other models
Mhm.
and I gained friends as
Mhm.
well who are not models.
Mhm.
Also, I had a good relationship with the agency owners.
Mhm. I think okay siya na experience when you're younger. And then
Yes.
mas matututo ka maging independent, 'di ba? Kasi away from your family, so ikaw na lang talaga bahala, 'di ba?
But I've always been independent.
Okay. Good for you. Ako, I'm still learning till now.
Kasi, my sister,
Mm.
naman, di ba, my
Mm.
sister got sick when I
Mm.
was in first year college. So, I really needed to fend for myself.
Mhm.
To fend for myself. And, kapag kailangan ko ng uniform, sometimes
Mhm.
I wash it on my
Mhm.
own and prepare meals for myself. Yun.
Mhm.
And hindi na rin kasi ako nakatira with my mom that time.
Mhm.
Kasama ko yung sister ko sa condo dyan sa Ortigas.
Super independent. I mean, kasi kapag kabunso ka, you tend to be dependent naman with your ates. Pero different naman with you, which is good thing. Na kahit nabunso ka, mas naging independent ka. Right?
Yes.
So, how was your experience, I mean, losing your sister? Like yung grieving part?
It was especially difficult because that was during the pandemic.
Mhm.
There was no social interaction. So, um, your communication with other people is also limited. And I think if you're grieving, importante kasi yung community.
Mhm.
So that's why I told you before joining CFL na
Mhm.
I really wanted to have like a spiritual community.
Mhm.
Kasi yun yung isa ring nawala nung pandemic because we can't go to mass face to
Mhm.
face, diba?
Agree.
So but before the pandemic kasi I regularly go to the mass to every Sunday. So yun.
Actually, I guess lahat naman tayo nag-grieve somehow in different ways during the pandemic. And ang galing lang how we also reconnected again. I mean, we've always been together sa regular fashion shows with Direct OG Atos. And then we reconnected again. I think in the middle of pandemic yun.
2023, I think.
Ah, okay.
No,
So,
I
so.
think, sorry, 2022. Kasi we
Mhm.
met in Shangpa.
Yeah, I remember that
We
photo.
had coffee
Yeah.
in
Mary
Mary
Grace.
Grace.
Mhm. Ang galing lang na parang nag-reconnect again. And then, Jem telling me na she was also in need of a community that time.
Yes.
And funny story kung paano namin nabudol si Jem. Okay. You wanna tell the story?
So, Car invited me to a karaoke Halloween party.
Mhm.
So, doon nag-start. And then they asked me, oh, join us for our
Mhm.
household.
Yeah. But actually, hindi ako 100% na naalala na you are seeking or looking for a community talaga that time.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ako, hindi rin ako yung tipong hard sell talaga na parang join. I
Mm-mm.
mean, I just wanna be there for people and then if tingin nilang need nila ng something like that, that's the time that I will offer. And
Mm-mm.
then, galing. Like, that was, I think, October for Halloween. And then, nakaget along mo rin lahat. Like, sila Dan, di ba? Everyone in that party. And then, they were super proud of you because that time, parang may Shangri-La billboard sa EDSA at that time.
Yeah.
Mhm. And then, I think, after a month, it was already BFF, Basic Faith Formation Talks. No? That
After
was
a month
November
ba
ba
yun?
yun? I
Yeah,
think
yeah, I think so.
so. Parang nauna ka na
Tama,
ng
tama.
konti kailaan. And then,
Yes.
right?
Pero sabay kami nag-BFF
Mhm.
niyan.
So how was your experience at that time during the BFF or life after
I
BFF?
wasn't expecting anything from it.
Mhm.
Sabi ko, sige nga, I'll try it. Kasi
Mhm.
nga, that time I was at a crossroad. Alam mo
Mhm.
naman yun.
Parang siguro discerning
Yeah.
time. Mm.
Kaya, ang hiniling ko noon, kasi diba parang meron kang certain gifts na
Mhm.
pwedeng hingin sa Holy
Mhm.
Spirit.
Okay.
Ang hiniling ko noon, discernment.
Okay, nice. Iba-iba pagka-discernment. Tsaka, kapag ka you're on that stage, parang mag-yes ka. Siyempre, dapat pili. Like, for example, you said yes agad to join the community or to join the Talk for Basic Faith Formation. Kasi parang nanghihingi ka ng answers eh, kung saan ba dapat ako or feeling mo lahat ng kung ibibigay sa'yo ni Lord yon, dun ba yung dapat path, then you'll discern about it. So how was your life after that? I mean, binigay ba ni Lord yung gift of
Yes,
discernment?
yes.
Mhm.
I remember we had this conversation when you invited me to go to the launch of the new School of Sofa.
Oh, okay, with Bobby. Yeah.
Yes, I think that was in Proscenium, diba?
Mhm.
And then I told you na parang um, this is a new life for me.
Mhm.
Kasi lahat iba eh. When I joined the community, lahat nagbago.
But
Um,
before that, you had to also remove things
yes, of
that's not
course. I think you
before.
cannot start or begin a new chapter or say a new life if
Mhm.
you can't let go of your old life.
Mhm. That's very nice. And then, so from community, and then how's your life naman now as master's psychology student? Psychology.
Practice po namin yun.
Yes. Kasi, I mean, yung psychology is something na siguro nung fourth year high school ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung psychology. Hindi ko alam kung ano pang marketing that time. Eh, parang hindi
Mhm.
ka pa masyado aware of that. Pero, kunyari, ngayon na I have more knowledge about it, it's something that I would also like to take during my college days, siguro, I guess. So, how's your student
Good.
life?
Good. I'm
Mm.
enjoying. So, feeling ko bata rin ako. Kasi
Mm.
yung mga classmates ko, karamihan Gen Z.
Okay.
Pero may classmates din ako ng mga 40s na with
Mhm.
families,
Yeah.
with kids.
Refreshing to go back to school again, no?
Yes.
Mhm.
Stressful in a way because I need to balance my I mean my full-time work. It's a
Okay.
9 to 5 job.
Actually, lagi ko sinasabi yan na hands down ako kay Jem when it comes to commitment, to her commitment, and balancing everything. Kasi kapag ako, kunyari ako, napagod ako or parang hindi ko na kaya burn out, talagang biglang mag-shutdown ako. But with her, talagang i-endure niya talaga, gagawa niya ng paraan, if student life ba yan, or work life. So, ang galing.
Thank
Ano
you.
advice ba?
I
Paano
try, I
yun?
try.
Can you give us tips for that for those who are not not that, I guess,
Kasi
resilient?
commit or quit.
Mm-hmm.
If you can't commit 100%, then don't do it.
Mm-hmm.
Although, some people rely on motivation.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi ang motivation, parang
It's
mood
not
lang
every
yan eh.
day eh.
Oo. So you really need to be committed and your focus should be there. And you have to get rid of distractions.
Mm-hmm. With, siguro, I also would like to ask, like, sa almost 2 years or in 2 years na you're in masters in psychology, ano yung mga natutunan mo? Like, for example, syempre, ang dami mong napagdaanan from the past. Kaya
Yes.
feeling ko yun yung fuel mo rin eh, of
Yes,
taking
correct.
it. Ano yung, siguro mabibigay mo sa amin advice? Baka makatulong. I mean, for those who are also watching.
Um, Not really into the subject matter, no. Pero
Yeah, actually,
one
kahit
of
in life.
yeah, one of the virtues that I relearned
Mhm.
when I took masters is patience.
Mhm.
Kasi parang naging role model sa akin yung mga professors ko na sobrang patient
Mhm.
nila and understanding. Kasi 'di ba tayo sa undergrad kapag may deadline, that's it. It's either you submit or you fail.
Mhm.
Pero sa kanila kasi, since I think psychology nga and it's masters and it's a parang working student program, they're more understanding and accepting.
Mhm.
So if you ask them and if you have a valid reason not to submit on time, they would understand.
Mhm. Actually, yung patience na yan, virtue yan na natutunan ko kay Tita Maria. Shout out.
Shout out Tita
Grabe.
Marilas
Prudence.
and Prudence and
Talaga.
Prudence.
Grabe yung patience eh. Like, woo. But then, actually, thank you for your time and for inviting us over here. Thank you for the lights. Hindi ako usually nagpapailaw. Thank you. And,
You can
um,
borrow this anytime.
and we're actually gonna have Baguio BFF for the
Yes.
first time. So baka you can also invite everyone.
That's
Okay
my
lang
dog.
yan. It's our
Nag-invite din siya.
fearless talent.
Halika.
Baka you wanna invite also Popcorn. Say hi.
Hello daw.
Hi! Wala akong pang TF kay Popcorn for this. Ayan, so baka you can also invite them or
Hi
encourage them.
everyone. Hi friends. I hope you can join us on our next BFF, the first time in Baguio.
Yes.
Car will be there to facilitate.
Mhm.
It will be on November 22, 22,
And 23.
22 and 23. So I hope Car will see you there.
Yes. And thank you also for encouraging them.
Of course.
And hoping for our next episodes, ang dami pa natin kailangan.
Detailed.
Yes. And I also want to know more about psychology in the future. So
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you for having me and Popcorn.
Bye.
Bye guys.